Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy in Shein application. If you want to buy something on Shein and you don't know how, then here is a quick tutorial for that. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Tap open your Shein application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged into your account, from the main home page, you can see several categories at the top of the screen. Select what kind of a product you are looking for and tap it on. Select the category from which you are trying to purchase an item and tap on the product. Once you find the product that you'd like to purchase, tap on Add to Bag at the bottom of the screen in order to add the product in your shopping bag. Now, tap open your shopping bag and select the amount of the product that you'd like to buy, and finally tap on the checkout button at the lower right. In the order confirmation page, simply go ahead and select your shipping method. Select your payment method from where you'd like to make a payment for the product. You can either choose from PayPal, credit or debit card. For interest-free payments, Afterpay, you can select one of these payment methods displayed on the screen. In my case, let me tap on credit or debit card. If you've got a coupon for yourself, tap on apply coupon and add in the coupon code. You can also redeem your gift card by tapping on the gift card button and adding in your gift card information. Finally, after you are done and you're ready to place your order, tap on Place Order button at the bottom. Tap on Purchase. Now, go ahead and enter your card number, the expiration date, and your CVV code number. And finally, tap on the Purchase button at the bottom of the screen in order to buy a product in your Shein application. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.